Welcome to week 2 of Practical AI for SMBs. This week, we delve into real-world AI use cases in small businesses. Our focus is on practical applications that drive efficiency and innovation. Let's explore how AI can transform your business operations. AI in marketing and content creation is transformative. Tools like ChatGPT assist in drafting content, while Microsoft Copilot polishes emails. AI generates ideas and enhances productivity, ensuring high-quality content creation efficiently. Let's now see a simple example of using ChatGPT in marketing.
I'm typing into ChatGPT, can you please produce a LinkedIn post for my office supply company? Let's see what happens. As you can see, ChatGPT quickly comes up with a suggested post. The more details you enter, the better the result. You can ask to refine as many times as you want until it's just right. Wow, this is amazing.
Now addressing admin and email overload, AI tools like Microsoft Copilot and Google Gemini summarize emails, suggest replies, and auto-format reports. These tools streamline workflows, turning notes into actionable items, enhancing efficiency. Let's show you an example of Copilot can summarize an email for you.
Juggling back-to-back meetings, Gavin receives a lengthy email about the Project Fusion Q2 report and urgent Q3 planning. With no time to read through it, he selects the Microsoft Copilot icon and clicks Summarize. In seconds, a concise summary appears, giving him all the vital information he needs to stay in the loop. This is a great example of how Copilot always keeps you informed and makes you more effective.
AI-powered chatbots offer a powerful way to enhance your customer support. Let's break down how. First, the key benefits. Imagine a chatbot instantly answering your customers' most common questions, 24/7. It can also intelligently route more complex problems to the right staff member, freeing up your team for more demanding, high-value work. Many tools you might already use, like Freshdesk, come with integrated AI features. These are a great starting point to see what's possible, but a word of advice: always test them rigorously before going live with your customers. Now, if you want to create a truly unique and superior customer experience, building a custom chatbot is the best option. This allows you to tailor every interaction to your brand. It is a specialized process, so seeking expert advice from us or another AI partner is crucial for success. Using AI is crucial for making sharp, data-driven business decisions. Here's how it helps. First, AI provides predictive insights. Tools like Zoozia, HubSpot, and even Excel use AI to accurately forecast sales trends and future cash flow, giving you a clear view of what's ahead. Next, it's about pattern recognition. AI can analyze your data to uncover key sales patterns and customer behaviors that would otherwise go unnoticed, helping you understand what truly drives your business. Finally, there's intelligent automation. AI can automate tasks like CRM follow-ups, ensuring you engage with clients at the perfect moment with a personalized touch. AI's core strengths include automating repetitive tasks, detecting patterns, and processing language. These capabilities boost productivity and efficiency across industries, providing valuable insights and enhancing communication. This week's challenge involves reviewing your task list to identify AI use cases, trying an AI tool, and seeking recommendations. Evaluate how AI fits into your workflow and enhances your business operations. Next week, we'll explore AI tools for small businesses, discuss industry-specific recommendations, and enhance business operations. Gain insights into improving efficiency and streamlining processes with AI solutions. For AI consulting, visit cloudmadesimple.com/agconsulting. Contact us at our regional numbers or email support at cloudmadesimple.com for personalized assistance. We're here to help you integrate AI into your business effectively.